What is AI and how can I use it in my business? What is AI? AI is artificial intelligence. It's designed to take over a process that humans typically do. It requires some level of input and then gives the user some kind of output. The basic idea is that the output saves time, and that the saved time allows the user to do other things that are more profitable and or productive. It has specific applications in an online business applications. AI tools have been around for a long time. You may be familiar with text-to-speech tools on your personal computer, or you may be familiar with more popular tools such as Dragon Naturally Speaking. In an online business, one of the tasks typically requiring human input is content creation. That content creation could possibly be handed over to an AI tool. But as is the case with all tools like this, there is a learning curve for it in its present state. Can you overcome the learning curve? There are some methods of AI content creation that could be considered easier than manual creation. However, you will need to understand what an AI tool can do and what an AI tool cannot do. Some of the tools are available for free or low cost. Others do more and require monthly payment. And still others are pay as you go. There's a video course that will walk you through the process of one of the more popular AI content creation tools. If you'd like to find out more about it, check out the link you see on your screen.